Localization moves fast, and tracking who is doing what shouldn't be a job in itself. Tasks bring project management directly into SimpleLocalize, so you can coordinate work right next to your translation keys. In the Tasks view, you can easily filter by status, assignee, or scope, giving you a clear, real-time look at exactly what needs your attention. Need more context? If a key like confirm is unclear, just create a task. Assign it to a developer and they can jump in to add a screenshot or a description so you know exactly where the text appears. Once they mark it as done, you are notified instantly and can get back to work. For developers, Tasks is the fastest way to get new features ready for release. Just select your most recent keys, right-click to create a task, and assign it to your translation team. No spreadsheets, no external tickets, just a direct way to get your new strings into the hands of your translators. Project managers can oversee the entire workflow at a glance. Whether it's a final QA for a new language or a project-wide update, you can set the scope, track the status from to do to done, and ensure nothing blocks your launch. Your personal tasks view is available right in the editor, keeping your to-do list front and center. Jump into any task to leave a comment, mention a teammate, or move the status forward as you work. You can enable tasks in your project settings to get started. Don't forget to check your notification settings under your profile to make sure you're alerted the moment a task is assigned to you or a teammate mentions you in a comment. Localization is better when everyone's on the same page. Bring your developers and translators together and start finishing tasks faster. Try tasks in your project and see how much time you can save.